Write the dimensional formula of question. Write the dimensional DMF of mu naught and its unit. Its unit and its unit. So what the question is? Write the dimension formula of mu naught. Mu naught is the permittivity of the free space or absolute permeability. Absolute permeability in case of magnetism. So you want to write dimension formula and unit. So generally they are the unit. In this last 2 years back they are the unit only. Now how to find the unit? For answer or solution you can say. Answer or solution you can say. So the force of attraction between, where you are going to this one? In magnetism. You are going to get this one in magnetism. The force of attraction or repulsion between two magnets is given by what? Gayatri, can you tell the formula? Force of attraction or repulsion between two magnets formula? F is equal to? Rakshita, can you tell the formula? F is equal to? Mu naught mu r by 4 pi into m1 into m2 divided by d square or r square in magnetism. So we need which one we need? Mu naught. So mu naught. This fellow is a constant. This fellow is a constant. We don't want. This is called constants. Called constants. Now this is the pole strength. The unit of pole strength is ampere meter. Ampere is the current, meter is the length. So this is also ampere meter. Now this is the distance. I can write meter square. So this both will be cancelled. All current is there. Now what is the dimension of the force? mL t to the power of minus 2. We need this fellow. Now we have to bring a into a square denominator. I can write a to the power of minus 2 or I to the power of minus 2. Therefore, DMF of mu naught is, what is the M L to the power of minus 2. You can write I to the power of minus 2 or A to the power of no problem. Either you can write A or I, no problem. Now write unit. What is the unit? Can you tell Gayatri? Can you tell the unit by yourself? What is the unit of mu naught? Nana Gayatri, మీరు యాక్టివ్గా ఉండాలా. Gayatri, టక్కని చెప్పాలి ఆన్సర్. తెలియదు. What is the unit now? What is the unit of mu naught? Okay. Rakshita, what is the unit? What is the unit? Yes, this is the Newton, this is the force, this is the ampere inverse, means Newton per meter, ampere inverse, ampere to the power of minus 2 or Newton per ampere square or any other unit? Henry per meter, Henry per meter. This is the all our SI system. Please copy this one. So from the formula, what Newton per ampere square. But another unit is Henry per meter. Already yesterday I given. Yesterday means yesterday I have not taken class. Yesterday before I given this clearly, right? Now what is the value of mu naught in magnetism? Moving charge in magnetism. So mu naught value already over, sir. Mu naught value is 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 Henry per meter. This is a constant value or Newton per ampere square. Right, please, all of you know it, right? This is a mu naught. Up to here, complete, right?
Yes, sir.
Not completed, huh? Okay. Completed.
Sir, completed, sir.
Okay, Nana. Right. Now go to next. Similarly, there, can you do yourself by next question? Write DMF of epsilon naught and its unit. Its units also can write units. So this is called in electrostatics. This is called permittivity of the free space in case of electrostatics. Now, what is the force of attraction of removing two charges? The force of, you write in word, force of attraction. In exam no need to write. So attraction or repulsion between two charges according to Coulomb's law. Two charges, so this is called according to Coulomb's law, is given by F is equal to, I am writing direct formula, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon r. Epsilon r is the dielectric constant, that is a constant value. It depending upon the medium. Say all previous also, mu r also is the relative permitted medium. We call it dielectric constant here. So dielectric means which medium is there. For air or vacuum, the value here is also 1, there also 1 only. If paper is 3, water is 2, like this. Okay. Now coming to this one, Q1, Q2 divided by d square or r square. I can put r square. Now what do you want? This is the constant. This is also constant. So these two things are, these are constants. No use. Now we need to find this fellow. Now you can bring this one mu naught separately. Sorry, epsilon naught is separate. Left side. Then what else is there? What is there? What is there, Nana? What is there? Now I can write. What I can write? Q1, Q2 divided by F into R square. F into R square. Now, you already know the dimension formula of Q is I into T. I into T the current into time. I can write I into T. This also charge is equal to I into T. Now you know the form, this is dimension formula, I can write directly. I can write directly. So then ml t to the power of minus 2 into L square. Now whichever is going to cancel, you can cancel it. ml t to the power of minus 2, minus 2. Now what is going to happen? If you take to the numerator, become a plus 2, then I can rewrite this as m to the power of minus 1 L into L square, L to the power of minus 3. Okay, sir. Now remaining time is there. The t to the, if you go to the t to the power of, you take to the t to the power of minus 2, it will become a plus 2, then t to the power of 4. So this is a DMF. Okay, na? DMF of epsilon naught. Our understanding, it is very easy once you read, but if you are not reading, simply throwing the notebook, at least early morning woke up or before going to bed, okay, sir said, before that you can go to the chemistry, whatever you need to study. So this, particularly physics, you can 1 or 2 times you see, already I explained this one. So you have to do your own way. But okay, 100% Paka, all questions are based on this topic only. 100% I am giving you guarantee. All questions, if you, after simplification, if you are not given correct unit, problem. So don't think that only one unit is there. There are n number of units are there. Different types of units are there. So whichever is the, based on it, you can do the calculation. But dimension formula, one is there. Some derived quantities, they may have 2 dimension formula different. I'll show it now. Now completed. Now what is the unit, Nana? You write a unit, please. So what is the unit I can write here? This is the charge unit. This is the force, Newton meter square. This is the ampere square second square. So I can write ampere square second square divided by Newton meter square, or farad per meter. That is Henry. Farad per meter. Farad per meter. What is the value of epsilon naught value?
dimensional formula I square.
Oh, sorry. L square రాశాను. I బదులు L square రాశాను. L square రాస్తాం. Oh, you correct only, sorry. You correct only. So pi na raya, I square. Correct. So ampere square, second square, denominator Newton meter square. Okay, right. Correct only. What is it? I square is not written. Right. Completed, ma? No, unit is okay. This is called unit. What is the value of epsilon naught? What is the unit of epsilon naught? Can you tell? This is unit. What is the value of epsilon naught? Gayatri, already given. 8 point. What is the value of epsilon naught? 8.854.
8.854 into 10.
10 to the power of? I don't know. Minus?
10 power minus 24.
Minus 24 కాదు. Minus 12 farad per minute. Farad per minute. ఒకసారి చదవాలన్నా, రెగ్యులర్గా చూసుకుంటా ఉండాలమ్మా. రెగ్యులర్గా చూస్తా ఉంటే ఏముండదు నాన్న. ఆడికాడి క్లియర్ చేసుకొని మళ్ళీ దీనికి ఇంక్లిచ్చుకుంటా పోతా ఉంటే నీకు సబ్జెక్ట్ చాలా ఈజీ సబ్జెక్ట్. దీన్ని మీరు లాజికల్గా వాడితే చాలా చాలా ఈజీ. సో మీరు ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. నేను ఇప్పుడు ఈ రోజు స్టార్ట్ చేసి రెగ్యులర్గా చదువుతా ఉండండి. ఆ లాజిక్ వాడండి. ఓకేనా? వెరీ గుడ్ బాయ్స్ అండ్ వెరీ గుడ్ గర్ల్స్. సారీ, కంప్లీటెడ్. నెక్స్ట్, సో రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ వన్, డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములా. రైట్, ప్లీజ్ రైట్. నౌ BMF of magnetic induction field. Magnetic induction field. Magnetic induction field. Symbol is B. So the B is having B is equal to F by M. The force experienced by a unit north pole kept at that point is called magnetic induction field. Right definition? The force, these are magnetism and matter. After current electricity, then we'll go for magnetism and matter. After that, moving charge and magnetism. After that, EMI. After that, AC circuits. That will get some satisfaction. Okay, happy. Then after that, what you call semiconductor. Then I'll come back to what you call nuclear physics, atom, dual nature. So this 11th standard going on. This is going to after this vectors. Then after that we'll go to heat 4 with 6 questions. Then gravitation. Then mechanical properties of solids and fluids. Then Newton's motion straight line, motion plane, everything. So that enough. So whatever I given, if you completely neatly do it with DATLA. Ray optics is there, more waves are there, everything is there. But first to go to the weighted topics, then we'll get some satisfaction. I'll get 30 questions, 30 into 4, 120. Make it to standardize and remaining topics. Okay, coming to that, right? So, what this is the definition is, what the definition is, the force experienced by the force experienced by a unit north pole, N pole, kept at that point, is called magnetic induction field. Is called magnetic induction field. How should be that? You take a magnet. This is the magnet. This is the north pole. This is the south pole. Here the pole strength is M, pole strength is M. So the force experienced by, I am keeping a unit N pole at point P. So because of north and north, this is the smallest magnet is going to influencing. So the force experienced by non-local magnet. Therefore, B is equal to F by M. The formula is another. First you can complete this one. B is equal to induction field. You call it as F by M. So M is the pole strength. The unit of pole strength is ampere meter. This is previously already done. Pole is called where M stands for pole strength. If you want to write where M is equal to pole strength. The unit of pole strength is ampere meter. Already you know the new, what is it called, fourth damage formula. Ampere means IL. Now you write damage formula of this one is B is equal to ml to the power of minus 2 divided by current I, length L. So now what I am going to get? M L to the power of 0, T to the power of minus 2, I to the power of minus 1. So this is the DMF unit. DMF of induction field B. You write unit. Write unit, please.
Sir,
Jack Nana.
sir, definition of second line doesn't repeat itself, sir.
Wait. Second line, the force, first line in chapter, the force experienced by a unit north pole kept at that point is called magnetic induction field. This is going to be influencing. See, this unit is the smallest magnet because a bigger magnet. This is going to what type of influence? Repulsive force. I can say it is here is there due to this magnet. This is due to this pole strength. This is going to move like this. Because either whatever it is a repulsive force, it is going to be influencing move. That is called magnetic induction field. Are understanding? Are understanding?
Understood, sir.
Now, suppose your question is, even that a topic will come, that I am also can ask. Suppose why should not take unit south pole? If you take a south pole, I should not say from where is going to be influencing. See, this is a south pole. Let them take a south pole. I cannot able to say from where is going to be attracting. Where it is going to be unit south pole if you take, where should be it is going to be attracting? From here. So repulsive force is the surest test. Repulsive force is the surest test in physics. Just you can identify easily. So from here is going to be repulsion. From here is going to be affecting. No effect, start effect. That is called influencing. That's why so now we are going to be considering unit N pole. Unit N pole. So influencing. Just another example I'll give you, then you can see. Now fan is rotating. Under fan I am staying. So my hair is there. My hair is going to be influencing. What do you have influence? Is called oscillating. Hair is going to be oscillating. Then you are observing, sir, my hair is oscillating, sir. Then I'll move, go. No influence. Next, yes, sir. Here only influencing, sir. Here influence, sir. No, sir. Here is no effect of this one. That means, but my body is not shaking, but my hair is influencing. But this, which is influencing, my hair is influencing because of this is called the smallest one. So that is the force experienced by a unit north pole kept at that point is called magnetic induction field. So this is the dimensional formula. Are understanding now? So influence. Okay, right. Coming to what is the unit you can write? You can write proper unit is what? This is called Newton ampere meter. Newton per ampere meter, or ampere meter is nothing but Weber or Tesla is enough. So many units are there. Up to here I write it. Tesla symbol is capital T. Copy it. This is the dimension formula. This one. Another dimension formula is there. Just to see that. So this is a two dimension formula. Based on which they are given, then you have to write this. So copy Nana. Me I want to do. You complete, then I will go to do this one. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nana. Okay, take next. So another, what is the formula of magnetic induction field? Another name is flux density. Next, right? Flux density. flux density. This is a B. What is the formula? B is equal to pi by A. Pi is called flux. So the unit of flux is Weber per meter square. Sorry, Weber only. Weber only. So Weber is nothing but ampere meter pole strength. This is the area of cross section. What is the unit? It is meter square. Now from this definition, from this formula, B is equal to, what is the Weber? Ampere meter. Ampere is what? L. I. Meter is L. Area meter square, L square. Then what is the time formula? DMF of P based on this formula is m to the power of 0, L to the power of minus 1, T to the power of 0, I. That's all. So unit based on this formula, this definition also is there. The is given by Weber per meter square, or Weber is nothing but ampere meter. 1 meter will be cancelled. Ampere per meter, or Tesla, symbol T, or Newton per ampere square. Okay, completed. So that means we have this many units. Okay, right. Next, intensity of magnetization. Intensity of magnetization. So symbol is I. Okay, sir. So I is equal to, I give the formula if you don't know about it. I is equal to magnetic moment by volume, where M stands for magnetic moment. So magnetic moment formula is length of the magnet 2L into pole strength M, small m. V is called volume. I am writing names here as volume. So M is the not mass, pole strength. POLE, pole strength. Right? Pole strength. M stands for pole strength. GTH. Pole strength unit is what? Ampere meter. Unit is unit ampere meter. Now everything is there. Volume is meter cube. But after simplification, so ampere meter is called ampere meter into meter. This is the length. 2L is the length. So length I can write is L. Ampere meter I can write is L into meter. Sorry, ampere meter. I into meter. Meter is L. Divided by volume. Volume is L cube. Now what is going to happen now? Now dimension formula is going to change. So that is equal to cancel. What you got now? I L to the power of minus 1. L to the power of minus 1, T to the power of 0, I. What is the M to the power? These are dimension formula. But the units are, what unit are going to get? So this is the ampere per meter. So this is the DMF, and the unit is, what do you call the unit? Ampere per meter. Already we know the ampere per meter. Ampere per meter nothing but induction field B. So like copied it. Yes. According to here it is ampere per meter. But already ampere per meter is what? Weber per meter square, or Tesla, Newton per ampere meter, like this you can write.